न उदति न अस्तम इत्यसा न वृद्धिम याति न क्षयम स्वयं विभति अति अन्नान्नि भासयत sadhanam bina. This sutra is the final disposition stand of Vedanta regarding consciousness and consciousness study. So I am taking this sutra step by step, and for your convenience I am breaking this sutra word by word so that you can understand it properly, thoroughly and deeply. Na udati. Na means no, udati means rise. Na astam ityasa. Na astam. Astam means set. Esa means consciousness. Na vriddhim. Vriddhim means increase. Yati na kshayam. Kshayam means decay. Sayam vibhati atha anyani. Vibhati. Sayam means of itself. Vibhati means self-illuminates. Atha means atha annani, other objects. And bhasayat means illumines or shines forth. Then sadhanam means sadhanam bina. Sadhanam means of aid, different means, different ways, and bina without. Now I am taking this sutra in one single shot. Consciousness doesn't rise, doesn't set, it can't be increased or decreased. It is self-illuminates and illumines every other things without the aid of any other objects or subjects or methods. This is the final stand, final disposition of Vedanta. Now the question will come to your mind. So consciousness cannot be decreased or increased. So why there is the study of consciousness? So to quench your query, your thirst, I am just explaining, elaborating this subject further. Pure consciousness cannot be increased or decreased. Now take an example. Can you increase or decrease the size of the sun? No, you cannot increase or decrease the size of the sun. But if you place a water-filled small pot, then the reflection of sun will be there. If the spot is small, then the reflection will be small. If the pot is larger or bigger, the reflection of the sun will be bigger. So it depends on the size of the container